Hello, guys. Good morning. I hope all of you guys doing well. I'm so happy to meet you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Sehat-sehat semua, guys. Good. What's up? Fine, ya? Okay. We start with semangat pagi. Very nice, guys. Very guys. Give applause to everyone joining the meeting. Thank you so much. Last time, guys. We already, in our meeting on design sprint course, we discussed about a sketchy stage. We cover all the topic related to sketchy stage. Do you have any question related to that stage? Even we discuss it in the class. Any questions, guys? Okay. If there is no question, today we are going to focus on the fourth stage of design sprint course, which is called design stage. So by this point in the design sprints, your team has already done a lot of work. You have mapped out the problems, you explore the potential solutions, and you sketch out some creative ideas here. So now it is time for us to make a decisions. Which idea are you going to move forward with? Which idea you are going to take to prototype stage? So the goal of this stage is simple. Choose one solution to prototype and test. But as you may guess, choosing is not always easy, especially when there are several good ideas on the table. So how we decide, how we can choose good idea? Instead of falling into long debates on the design sprints, use a structure process to help team evaluate solution quickly and objectively. So it starts with what we call it sticky decisions process. And in this meeting, I will discuss it step by step. The first one, we have it here in this sticky decision process. We call it silent critique. So first, all the solutions sketch are placed on the wall. The team walk around the room silently, reading and absorbing the ideas. No discussions among the teams. So this helps everyone from their own opinion without being influenced by others. The second one, what we have to do is what we call it dot voting or dot voting. So in this stage, each person is giving a few small sticky dots to place on the parts of the sketch that they like most. This is fast way to highlight promising features and ideas in our ideas. The third one is what we call it heat maps or the heat maps. Once voting is done, you will see patterns, cluster of dots around the certain ideas. This is help identify what the team is trying to. And then we have what we call it the speed critique. So speed critiques, then the team briefly discuss each sketch, what is interesting, what is unclear, and what is promising, all in just a couple of minutes per idea. The point is not to debate, but to make sure everyone understands what is on the table. After all that, it's time for final decisions. So in most design sprint, this is done by a decider. The decider could be the sprint master, or maybe someone with authority, like maybe the product manager or the team leaders and so on. So here they consider the feedback that's coming from the groups and make the calls. This avoid design by committee, help keep the sprint moving forward. So when the decision is made, the team create what we call it storyboard, which is showing a step-by-step plan for how prototype will look and work. But we will talk about it in deeper in the next stage. So to make a conclusion about this stage, that the design stage is help your team move from many ideas to one clear directions idea, using a fair and efficient process. It is all about reducing the risk and avoiding endless debates among the team. So you can move quickly to prototyping and testing. That is all about design stage. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I will answer it in our next meeting. Thank you so much. See you next week. Sorry, I'm wearing today black glasses because I have eye infections. See you guys. Stay happy and healthy. Assalamu alaikum.